Hi everyone, welcome back to another episode of Tech It Simple. In today's video, I'm going to guide you through how to download Google Meet application on your iPhone. Watch the video till the end in order to learn how and subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button. Also press the notification bell icon so that you'll never miss another update from us. If you'd like to download the Google Meet application for your iPhone, so that you can attend to real-time meetings, share your videos, conduct presentations, take part in presentations with teammates and customers. And the first thing to do is open up your App Store. As soon as you open up your App Store, go to the search box in the top and type in Google Meet, make your search. Soon after you do that, you'll be able to see this kind of an interface. At the very top you should see a Google Meet application displayed on the screen. To view further information about the app, tap it on once and then go through the information. If you'd like to download the app right away, tap on the Get button right beneath the app displayed at the top and your download will begin shortly. While downloading your application, make sure you are connected to a strong internet. Whether you are connected to a Wi-Fi or cellular data, just make sure that it is working properly. Once the application gets downloaded, is simply tap on the Open button to launch the app open. And there you have downloaded Google Meet application for your iPhone. That is how you'll be able to do so. I hope the tutorial was helpful to you. If it was, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Comment down below in the comment box. If you have a question or a feedback for us, I'll send it back with more tutorial videos like this. Thank you for watching.